What is going on? We back with another banger video, and in today's video what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the lip on the Mustang. It's a two-piece lip. It's a GT500 style, so let's get into it. But it's gonna look dope as I'm really excited for it. Let's go. It's gonna be a new GT500 lip. Let me show you. But that's the lip, two-piece. So let's get into it. We're finna install it real quick. We can't use the big jack, which is down there, because this bitch is too low, so we had to use mine to raise it a little bit, and then put that one. Hey buddy, we got this side in. We're doing this the other side, and then we're gonna do the middle. But look, oh, it's already looking better. We still gotta do the other side, other piece, the GT500 bottom piece, but it's gonna be dope. It's getting hot. I'm about to come in the garage real fast. I'm about to drill holes. Why is it shaking like that? Meow, 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 meow. It's so fucking hot, bro. But we're still working this lip out, and then we finna do that. We got the holes drilled in the other lip. But as soon as we get this in, we're gonna put that other lip on. Then I'll share all the results. It's pretty easy install because these have the pre-line drills. I mean, you do have to drill the holes in, but they already have the spot to where to drill it, right? So you just drill it in. I'm telling you, once we get it done, I'll share what it looks like, but it's definitely 100% worth it. I should have done it a long time ago, but I'm glad I didn't, because I hit that dead animal. I would have lost both the lips, to be honest. So I'm glad, but we'll catch on a little bit. Let's go. Dang, bro. Dang, yo. Bro, this is gonna look so good when the car comes down, but oh, you guys need this. If you have an S197, highly recommend doing this. It looks really funky from inside, but we're not gonna worry about it, really.
Battery is...
No, it's dead? Apologize, I try to record much as I can, but during the process, it's really hot. We're trying to figure it out how to do it, but yeah, it is hot like a motherfucker. But I'm gonna explain it. If y'all gonna do it, all you have to do is, I do not have my mud guard. I took it out. Take the mud guard out and then do everything right there. But all you're gonna have to do, the holes that are already aligned, it doesn't come pre-drilled, the diffuser, the bumpers.
All you gotta do is make sure you put the first part in.
Yeah, so
and
put in
through the bottom lip.
Yeah, so put the first lip in. Make sure the main is to make sure the middle ones are lined up, because if you fuck that up, then
the first one is the base.
Yeah.
So you gotta make sure you put like at least 10 screws.
How long did it take us to get the middle two in?
For an hour, because we were doing it your way.
No, we were doing, shut the fuck. Well, anyways, look, we got the middle two in. It's aligned, but we gotta drill in the side ones. But oh my god, but when I put this car down, y'all gonna see it. I'm gonna have to watch out for the... You said what? Thanks to you? Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you. Fuck. All right, but hey, I'm so fucking excited, bro. Okay, let's get this shit done. Got problem? Got problem? What the fuck? What was that sound? That didn't sound good. Dear Lord. Oh my god, bro. This shit looks low. Yo! Oh my god! This shit looks so fucking good, bro. Oh my god, y'all have no fucking idea how much I love this. Holy shit. Bro. This was worth 2 hours. Honestly, I'm gonna leave the links. I highly recommend getting them. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video. This is, my own money, my own thing, and my own designs. I've never seen anybody do this though, like how they get the GT500 lip and then they put the GT500 on a regular bumper, because I don't have the GT500 bumper. What's going on? Here we at the shop with Bailey, my boy, tinting the window. Check him out, because we did a video back then. It was a while ago, right? Dang, it's been that long. Well, this is how they do the windows.
If you need a YouTube tutorial on how to tint your Mustang window?
He got it.
Yeah, you just bring it here and I'll do it.
So what's going on is that one is 10%. I think that one was supposed to be 15%. I don't know what they fucking did.
It could I don't know.
Yeah, and then this one we're doing
You won't be able to
5%.
tell too much in the difference.
We're trying to remove this one.
You can't have the mismatched tint. We gotta see if it's gonna leave blue before we get the steamer out. It might leave a
Oh yeah,
either way.
I think so.
We might get the steamer up, so it might come off a little bit easier.
All right, get on it. Get on. That's his little electric dirt bike, and that's the YouTube. I'll go check him out.
I'm gonna put you on that for a video. The next video, our video is gonna be.
Bro, I'm a fall, bro.
We're gonna get him on a bike. If you want to see him on a bike.
Dude, that's scary as fuck. I mean, I'll ride it, but like doing wheelie. Oh
We're gonna
God.
put you on, like, pads and a helmet. We're gonna send you
I need a butt pad too.
Yeah. All the pads.
You know, this thing looks futuristic for real. It's an LC500. I've never heard of this thing, but it looks pretty sweet. Let me show you. Hey, what if that person that owns this car just like, you know, who's this random guy fucking going in my car?
Just say you're a documenter for something.
Yeah, for unique audio, I document stuff. Make sure he's doing his job right, you know.
Shop cameraman or something.
Look at that Alcantara. Look at this Carmen though. That's nice. The seats are pretty nice too. On the back. It smells new as fuck. I love that new car smell, bro. Can't tell if that's a screen. Oh, it's like a light in there, I think. Can't tell. These are the vents. What the fuck? Yeah, this ain't for me, bro. Hell no.
You don't want the big legs?
Nope. Look at the front.
Straighten in the Scat and the Mustang for this.
Godly.
I mean, you probably could.
100 grand, bro. Hell nah.
I would
For 500 horsepower?
just straighten it, sell it, and then get that GT500.
Oh yeah, that. Now we're talking. 500?
Yeah, this thing is nice. I'm gonna move that. do that, bro. I said be careful.
Oh shit. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. We're good. We're good.
That didn't even happen. Y'all didn't see that, chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just looked at it.
I didn't know my door was gonna fucking swing back like that.
Yeah, I did.
You know what my mom did when I first got the Charger?
What?
She, cause you know how I park next to each other?
Yeah.
Bro, she opened that fucking door. She hit
You
the
hit
door.
both of them. A 2-for-1.
Yeah. And I was like, Mom!
If you can't get mad, you just gotta be like,
Yeah.
that's better than driving off with the gas.
Yeah, he fucking drove with the whole pump in his car.
I got to keep the pump. Bro.
You got it in your...
Nozzle.
Yeah.
I got the nozzle sitting at home on the dresser.
Yeah, that's good memory right there.
Yeah, and I got 6 dents in the side of my car.
Are you actually?
Yeah, it didn't take any paint or scratch it though, so it's like...
Did you get it fixed or it's like, can you tell? Or it's like small dents?
They're like little small ones, and you can definitely see them, but...
Dang. And he just got the car. If you haven't seen it, he used to have a cat. He got a ZL1 now. That looks really... The color is beautiful. It's like the red with the black top. You chose the right thing, man.
And then I drove off with the gas pump. After a
Fucking...
month of having it, you can't give kids nothing nice. You can't give them nothing nice.
Oh yeah, this is where he lives, by the way.
Yeah, that's my bed over there in the corner. You see that?
Oh, look. See that bed? It looks pretty comfy, though. Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, we don't talk about that.
It's in the project. It's in
No, that's like your little escape route, right?
Yeah, my shower's up there.
Yeah,
That's why
that's why it looks... When it rains, you collect the water?
I stand under it, so I only shower when it rains.
Yeah, so I mean, that's like, you know, once a month, maybe more, who knows, right?
Yeah, sometimes I just don't shower for a little while.
Yeah, it'd be like that.
Let me see. I feel like the way to make it is to sleep in your car. I think I'm gonna have to reconsider my channel.
You should make a video sleeping 24 hours in my ZL1.
Yeah, I might.
Dude, that'd be... I think we should both do it.
Yeah, we can both do it. If you Have you slept in your car before?
Pretty sure, yeah. Look at this. We did the 5% on it, so you can see my beautiful face. And then rest is 15, but it's not gonna matter because that's all that matters. So that we took it off, put a new tint on this side. That one already needed a tint, so that one's good. And new lip. Finally, bro, my car's looking how I want it to look again. Because it looks so funky, bro. With that other window, it did not look good. And then I didn't have a lip. It looked fucking ugly as fuck.
You have to keep both windows rolled down to not look silly.
Yeah, I had to. I kept them down. Shout out to my boy Bailey, though. He did my scat when I first got it. I didn't even know you then.
I know, that's what I'm
That's
saying.
crazy. That shit looking good as fuck.
Yep, she's looking better now for sure.
I'll check them out.
Yeah, you check this out. We'll make a video if y'all want to see a video.
Hey y'all, that's pretty much it. We got the tints done. Car's looking good. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. And shout out to Bailey for hooking me up and making my car look beautiful. All right, peace out. See y'all. Yay.